Hey you, don't click away. It's Zero Designs here. Bam! New intro, right? Like, I did it. That was cool. Maybe you haven't realized, I'm pretty crazy and quite off script because, guess who doesn't write a script? Me. This guy, who you just stumbled upon. Congratulations. This particular video is going to be me creating thumbnails for previous videos that I needed to do. Now, I was actually partway through doing this when the whole little screen recording decided to crash on me. I'm glad I realized it before I got like all three done. So this one was the first of the three thumbnails was pretty much already done. But this is kind of a quick overview on how I would do something, right? A little bit of pictures, some text and audio. Yes, if I really wanted to, I could make these things better. But this is going to be a lesson to you. If you decide to do YouTube, I'll have some secrets coming up for you. But let's go to that intro. Okay, intro's over, and what's the secret? You're a minute in and you're like, what secret is there about YouTube thumbnails? Guess what? Bright colors and catchy enough to click it. That's really all that matters. Perfection is a waste in this particular case, right? If I wanted to, I could spend more time doing these, right? I want to make it professional looking and nice. And sometimes I do better and sometimes I'm not that good. But you know what? Here's the thing. It's really small. Like right now, if you look at it, that's about how big you would see it on YouTube. In fact, quite a bit smaller in most cases. And if it's on your phone, even smaller than that. Like, you're not going to really see everything perfectly. I used to be, when I would sit there and do a thumbnail, I'd spend an hour on it, and I'd be like, I gotta make sure that little tiny little dot of white is, like, completely wiped away, and I don't make sure no mistakes and perfection, and, you know what, perfection doesn't exist, and it's way wasted trying to figure it out. Okay? I can do it when I really feel like it. Yeah, none of you should comment down below about this. Yeah. Those are anytime, you know, my iPad gets a notification, I put up something like that because I don't really want you seeing a notification from Netflix or whatever else it was over there. And yeah, there you go. That's what those are for. So leave a comment if you think that's a pretty good idea. Or don't. Leave a like. Because you know what? You just do that, okay? Forget it, subscribe, do whatever else. We have to tell you these things. It's like YouTube 101. Say these things to people. And I don't know why. I really don't get, like, why I need to tell you this. I don't think you really do, right? Like, I think if people genuinely like something, they will click the like button. If people generally want to see the video that you create, they'll subscribe and do whatever else things they got to. But otherwise... where was I? I've lost track again. Yes, yep. See, I knew it. I do the voiceover for video 12, and I would, like, run out of energy. I've been doing this for too long today. Time for a picture. Oh, yeah, so I was trying to do a Memoji little screenshot. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. You know, that's why it's, like, just staring at a straight picture. I'm doing this on my phone, right, instead of actually doing it on my iPad, so I just had to do that, and yeah, that's why you wasted, whatever it is. This is sped up, but it's not really sped up fast enough because guess who, did this really quickly, so, yeah, okay, there it goes. You know, this would be bad if I didn't speed up the whole thing, but I'm pretty sure it's sped up. Pretty sure. Yeah, it looks sped up. Yep, okay. Hopefully it was sped up. Cause I kind of look sped up. I don't know. So I'm just excited that you're here. I really am. And if you've made it this far, I'm really sure I lost track of what subject I was talking about. Again, what happens when I don't read anything but YouTube 101, commenting, ding. I don't know. Something about YouTube. Things that you do naturally for YouTube and that you should be natural anyways, because everybody should know it by now. Everybody should know the system. The things you do, the things you don't. And apparently I break all of them because, oh, thumbnails, yes. Today, I figured it out. I talked myself into learning thumbnails. Perfection is a killer. Don't try to be perfect. It's a waste. Because guess what? Your first dozen videos no one sees. Including this one, no one will probably see. So, But at some point they will. They will. 100 episodes, 200 episodes, I don't know, 500 videos in. Somebody's going to start going through your old stuff. Make good quality content. I'm not saying otherwise. But thumbnails, right? I promise, is not going to be the biggest thing that leads you into getting it. It's helpful. It really is. Like, when I want to watch a video about the new iPad when it came out, you know what I wanted to see a picture of? The new iPad. Plain and simple. I didn't need flashy graphics or anything. I just wanted it to be relevant to what I was searching. In this case, I don't know if any of this is relevant for the thumbnails. I don't know. It could very well be. Look, I put unknown logo because I couldn't name this logo, for Pete's sake. This was yeah, that's for video 8 that you should hopefully have watched by now. But yeah, I had no idea what to call that, and I was like, unknown logo, because that's what I created. I don't know if that's gonna help if you're looking for art, but I'm not how to, and you guys should know that. I mean, even if this was your first time and you made it this far, you're 6 minutes in, I have told you pretty much nothing on how to do anything related to art. I just make content and I talk over it. And you know what? For a lot of people, that's probably very boring. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry if my voice and this is potentially boring to you. So is every other video on YouTube. If you really break it down, it's the same old stuff. I mean, have you ever noticed when something trending happens? And yeah, I know, I'm an artwork guy. Why am I talking about stupid things like this? But you know what? I do. So, something's trending. It comes up, right? Boom, you get a video on it. And if somebody releases it, and it's really cool and awesome, the next thing you know, next day, 40 other people do the same thing. And they're pretty much the same style. Just with a different voice and a different following. And all trying to get for trending and whatever other thing that gets more views. That's all we care about, right? Views. You know, whatever happened to entertaining people? Can we just do that, right? Like, maybe I'm going to suffer for this because I might be like 500 videos in before I ever get anywhere. 1,000 videos in, 2,000 videos. I don't know. I just don't know. But I'm striving to be entertaining from beginning to end in some form. If it's not the content, it's my voice. If it's not the voice, hopefully it's the content. But I'm not going to be like everybody else who sits there and makes the same boring videos. That's all I ever see anymore. Not really. I have people who make good videos. But even some of my old favorite YouTubers, you know, they've done it for a long time. And everything just becomes mundane for them. They lose their hyperness. Like, I like the people I used to really care about were the hyper people. You know, the ones who seemed like they were enjoying what they were doing. And maybe they weren't. Maybe in reality, they didn't enjoy what they did. But I'm going to. I'm not doing YouTube to not enjoy, right? I enjoy doing this artwork. It is so much fun for me. It is relaxing from work. And if you get a chance, do it. Draw, learn how to do it. It's fantastic. YouTube, same thing. I want it to be relaxing, not stressful. I want every little thing to be, you know, I have schedules. I have things I need to do for YouTube. Yes, difficult. Stress in that way, but it's a good stress. It's a challenge. But I can tell that this video is going to be ending soon. Hopefully I got it better than the last one when I kind of ended early. But I'm going to have to end this for you guys. This is... Oh, I remember. I had to add 0 to all the other wallpapers because I forgot. Oops. Apparently, I missed a couple. But you know what? Here you go. I put 0 on these. And it shows that it's mine. But yeah, this is the end. Closing out the end.